That's McLaren and our escape pod.
Turn the pod back!
The kerfuffles are causing too much interference.
We have to stop the planets bickering.
How?
Can you make that light yellow, please? Ideal lights are always yellow.
I got a lot of love for you, and I know you feel it too. But fighting ain't gonna solve all our problems. Cause you are my best friend, so don't play pretend that we ain't gonna be okay. I'm sorry for what I said and the way that things went. Now we just forgive and forget. Cause we don't need to argue. Friendship is forever when we stick together. You know I never meant to hurt you, but nobody's perfect and we gotta work it out. Cause some things are better just left unsaid. So if it's not nice, don't waste your breath. We don't need to
What a fantastic melody! That's a banging beat! I just complimented Nova. Hear that, universe? I love my sister. I love my sister!
We don't need to argue. Friendship is forever when we stick together. You know I never meant to hurt you, but nobody's perfect and we gotta work it out. Cause
Planet RG and Planet Bargy have declared they're friends again. It's a musical miracle.
we don't need to argue. Friendship is forever when we stick together.
It was horrible saying all those nasty things. I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry, sis. I can't promise to never be a meanie again, but I can promise to try really hard.